This has been going on for quite a while. It's cute, huh? Yeah. He's kissing his niece. He's posing for you.
I like the perfect shot.
That was such a good picture.
You're a silly man. Oh my god.
Don't break it.
You're so nuts. I'm a silly man.
Kyler.
So whose turn is it? Is it my turn?
Kyler.
Did you go?
Is it my turn?
Colette, did you go?
Crawl, baby, crawl! You're so close. Oh, no, you can't do that. It's cheating.
There's another walk on.
Yummy. Kyler. You big boy.
Alright. Time for you to get down.
The rest of your kids usually do that?
Time for you to get down, buddy.
Aww.
Did any of the other kids do that?
Like grandmas or?
So pretty much just his mom, his dad, and Tori, and then the grandmas, the two grandmas.
Okay, gotcha. Oh boy, Kyler, he is just kissing you like crazy. Okay, so many kisses. Okay. Okay, I think they had enough kisses. Yes, they did. Thank
Since
you.
you looked at me like,
Okay. Okay, oh my heavens.
La la. La la. La la. La la. Do that. La la. No la. La la.
Voice lessons with Kylie. Never too early to start.